In this video, we will be learning about adding products, rebates, and dealer incentives when you are in the buy or lease windows. Adding products to the desking window is the same whether you are in the buy screen or the lease screen. On the buy lease windows, just to the right of the product amount fields, you'll find a button with 3 dots or ellipsis. These on-screen buttons open your itemization window. Keep in mind that if you are not in edit mode on your buy lease screen, you will not be in edit mode in your itemization window, and all content will be view only. In order to be in edit mode in your submenu, you must be in edit mode on your main screen. Before clicking the ellipsis button, make sure to first click the Edit link in the toolbar. Now, once you click the ellipsis button, the itemization window will open. If there is no existing line item for the product field you selected, LightYear will generate one for you. Note, if a like add type, soft add, hard add, etc. line is already present, the system will not create a new one. The assumption is you're returning to modify an existing line versus having a need to create a new one. If you'd like to produce more itemization lines, then you can click Add Item in the upper left-hand corner of the window. Confirm that the add type is for the item you'd like to add to the deal. Again, hard add, soft add, service contract, GAP, rebate, and so on. Next, under the description column, click the drop-down arrow to the right of the description field. This will open a list of items allowing you to select what's applicable. Notice the Note field below the description that allows you to document internal notes on a line item. These are not seen elsewhere and do not print anywhere. If your item has a defaulted cost and retail amount in LightYear, this information will be populated in the applicable fields. If not, you're free to type in whatever is necessary. The system defaults can be overwritten to reflect one-off changes in cost and/or price. Note, for rebates and incentives, the dollar amounts go in the Other column. While in the itemization window, there is no need to return to the desking screen and click the ellipsis button for the next product. You can add all products, rebates, and dealer incentives, dealer cash, at once by simply clicking Add Item to get a new line. Confirm your add type and proceed as previously discussed. Once you're satisfied, click OK in the upper right-hand corner of the screen to save the itemization lines and close that window, returning to your buy lease window still in edit mode. Make additional changes if necessary before clicking OK to save. You'll notice that the retail amounts will now be displayed in the applicable fields in your desking window. Note, if there are items owed to the customer that they will not receive by the time the vehicle is delivered, you can mark it as due bill. Simply put a check in the due bill box of the line item. Once the deal is processed, this item will become a part of the customer record, and the parts and service department will be able to see what's owed when the client returns for the item or service. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to add products, rebates, and dealer incentives when you are in the buy or lease windows.